Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to insert an empty picture frame in Microsoft Word. An empty picture frame works as a placeholder for images, allowing you to design documents layout before inserting the final pictures. This method is very useful when creating templates, forms, ID cards, brochure, posters or document layouts where you want to leave a space for image that will be added later. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment, but I need to add my picture or the placeholder to this document when I submitting the document. Then you can go to the file menu and click the option, then go to the customize ribbon option and obviously enable the developer menu, then click OK. We can see here the developer. Now I click this picture option, picture control content, here this option, then select the option, go to the format menu, click position and select the position of this, then select the option, go to the format menu, then click the border option and make it black, then click on the picture icon, go to the file and select the picture and click insert. We can see we added the picture. This is a placeholder or the picture frame, empty picture frame. You can move anywhere, select the option and you can move anywhere. Now we can see we add the empty picture frame or placeholder in Microsoft Word using the developer option very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.